For tonight's dinner, we're going to be having fish with a wine reduction sauce with citrus, roasted carrots and asparagus with balsamic glaze, and chicken flavored rice. Asparagus and carrots, we're going to just drizzle some olive oil, and we're going to season it with the seasoning. For our fish, we're using whiting, citrus, herb de Provence, butter, and Chardonnay. Take your lemons and your orange and butter and layer them up all nice and pretty. Take your Chardonnay and pour it over. There you have it. Wrap it, some foil or plastic wrapping foil. Throw it in the oven, 350. We're going to say about 25 minutes. We'll check it in between. For dessert, we're making churro bowls. 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour. That's what you're going to need. While you're waiting for your butter to melt into the water, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Once your churro boil, add your 1 cup of flour and stir it. Once you get to this state, you're going to stir this up for about 2 minutes straight. If you want to cheat, you can use a hand mixer to help cool it down a little faster before you add your eggs in. We're going to add 3 eggs, 1 by 1. It should look something like this when you're done with it. You're going to take this and put it into a plastic Ziploc bag.